Hi friends, I am Krishna Mohan. Today we are going to learn about some of the points of string. Okay, so how to declare a string? Some variable name. Suppose name is equal to. In other languages, we have to, if you want to initialize a string, we have to write the string in double quotes. Okay, so here also we can write the value in double quotes, or you can use the single quotes also. So see here, Krishna. Okay, and or else we can write it as in double quotes also. Okay, right. So uh, the string here belongs to the str class. Okay, so that is what is the string class. To check whether the name belongs to this means is the object, or the Krishna is the object of the string class or not. So for that we have to use the method called type. See, one second. So sorry, type, uh, but we have to print it in console. So first I will be writing the print statement. Print to check to check, we have to use the, we have to print it and we have to see, no. That's why I am using this inbuilt method, print method. So there is a class called type. What you want to name. I want to check the name. Okay, what is the type? What's data type? I wanted to check the data type here, because in the other languages we have to mention the data type, but in Python there is no need of mentioning this data type. Okay, so here you are getting it. Okay, uh, the str. Okay, string. That's why we will also check it. Okay, run. I will run it and I am checking it whether. Okay, see here, class str means string. So here this string is an object of this class string. Okay, uh, right. Now then, what are the things that we can be doing with the string? Okay, suppose if I wanted to print the string value, so what I have to do is I have to use the print method. The print method directly name. Okay, Krishna will be printed. Okay, right. And if I wanted to print this string 10 times. Okay, in other languages we have to use the for loop. Okay, uh, and we have to print the string value 10 times. Okay, so here there is no need of what you call using these looping statements to for printing the multiple values. Okay, so here we have to use the multiplication symbol star. If I wanted to print 10 times, or so I wanted to print 3 times, suppose, what I will be doing, run it 3 times, the Krishna is being printed. I have given this space because we have to see the difference, no. Okay, right. So this is the some of the advantages of this language, how easy this language is. Okay, and suppose if I wanted to concatenate two strings, suppose if I wanted to, there are two another strings, suppose name and name1. Name1 is Mohan. Here I will be using single quotations, single quotes. Okay, now I wanted to concatenate it, I wanted to join it. Okay, so what I have to use, in Java you are using the plus symbol, the same way you have to use this here also. So name plus name1, run it. Okay, concatenation is done through plus symbol. Okay, suppose right, if I wanted to print I don't want to print the entire value. Sorry, entire this Krishna. I wanted to print only a single letter. Okay, suppose I wanted to print K. Okay, the first letter. Actually, here it will be like an array. It will be stored like an array. Okay, if you know the concept of the arrays. Okay, in the other languages. So this will be treated as 0, means the index will be 0 for K, and for it will be 1, I for it will be 2, S it will be 3, means 0 to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if I wanted to print only K, means it is at the index of 0. So what I have to write? Name and bracket. Inside the bracket I have to write the index, so I will write 0 and I will run it. See here, K is been printed. Okay, very good. Suppose if I wanted to want some S, so what is the index? 0, 1, 2, and this S is 3, so 3. Okay, S has been printed. Okay, well and good. uh, but suppose if I wanted the values from K to S. Okay, I wanted the values from K to S. So what I have to do? In the other languages, I have to use some loop and I have to run the loop. Okay, and I have to check it. Some logic I have to apply, but here no need to use that logics and all. Okay, so what is the index of the starting value? Starting index is 0. I wanted to print from K to S, so starting will be 0, 0, colon. What is the ending one? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, up to 3 I wanted to print, but I have to give 4. Up to 4 I have to give. So otherwise means it is actually the ending point. Means if I will give the ending point, the before that whatever the indexes are there, the values in the indexes are there, that will be printed. So I have to give 4. Okay, means 0, 1, 2, 3. Up to 3 it will be printed because 4 is the maximum. Okay, 4 is what is the last one. Okay, that one will not be printed. Okay, so 0 to 4. I will run it. KRIS. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, well and good. Suppose I wanted to print the values leaving means one value between, means I wanted to print the K, then I, then H, then A, means I wanted to leave one what you call one index in between. Okay, so for that uh, what I have to do? If I wanted to suppose before that, if I wanted to print the entire one, I will use the only this name, that is enough. The entire one will be printed entire. Okay, if I use okay, if I wanted to give the starting point and ending point, that is also okay. Suppose if I am giving the starting point, suppose 0, suppose I am giving the 1, means I am giving the R from R, and I am not giving the ending point. So what happens? You guess it. Okay, if I'm not giving the ending point, then what happens? All the things will be printed. Okay, see here, rest of the things are printed. Suppose I'm taking Mohan also here and I run it. See here, from 1 to all the prints are printed. Okay, well, good. Okay, suppose what is the last index over here? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Space is also will be taken. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is the last one. So if I am using here some 14, what happens? in if you in other languages it will be giving the error message, array index out of bounds like this. Okay, but in this case if you are using if you are giving the starting point right but the ending point is wrong, means it is out of the range, then it will not be showing any error message. Okay, so here I will run it. See here, the rest of all the things are printed. Okay, it is not showing any error message. Okay, so this is how it happens. Okay, then what about if I give any negative values? Suppose if I give -1, what happens? Okay, if I give -1, and what happens? You guess it. I will run it. N is printed, means last number is printed. This means that from if you want to print from means if you want to take the values from consider the values from right to left, then you have to use the negative indexes. Okay, from means it will be printed in the same way, but it will be considered this will be also be used when you are writing the big programs. Okay, that depends upon your logic. Okay, so if you take the negative values, it will be taken from the left to right. Okay, so if I wanted to print the value from M to N, only Mohan I wanted to print. So what I have to do, the starting value is, this is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. So -5. So is there any ending value that I have to give? No. I will run it. Mohan is printed. Suppose I wanted to print only MON. Then what happened? This is -1, -2, -3. So I have to mention -1, -2. This is -3. So -2 I have to mention. -2. Okay, I will run it. Okay, right. So this is also okay. If you want the negative values, means if you want the negative indexes, if you want to use the negative indexes, you can use it. Okay, it is also okay. But suppose previously I have told you that if I wanted to print the values leaving one value in between, so I wanted to print KIHAMHN. I wanted to leave means one value. So that is what is slicing. I wanted to slice it. Okay. So if I wanted to slice it, then uh, okay, I will not mention any value. Means I will not give. One second. Yeah, there is an insert. I have used. 1 second. Okay. So if I am not giving any means starting point and ending point, okay, limits, then the whole thing will be printed, right? But now what I wanted to do is I wanted to slice it. So okay, again colon, and I wanted means leave one value in between. So will 2 means first it will be taking one value, then it will be printing the second value. Okay, I will check it, run it. See here what has been printed: K I H A M H N. Okay, it means it is leaving one value. R is being left. So First it will take the first value, then from there it will take the second value, from there the second value, means the in between value will be not considered. Okay, in the same way, if I will take 3, that is what is the slicing, like mango, if you slice it. Okay, run it, right, that okay, 2 values will be um, the third value will be taken, 2 values will be not taken. Okay, so in this way it happens. Okay, this is what is slicing. Okay, you can use the slicing also, but in the other language, if you do this, if you want to do this thing, you have to use some logic. Okay, so here there is no need of using the logic. Okay, you have got the inbuilt methods and all. uh, okay, suppose if I wanted to this is the actually the string value. It is everything in Python is treated as an object, so this you can treat it as an object. Okay, so uh, if I wanted to change the value, means change the string, I can change it. Okay, there is not an issue. Okay, but if I wanted to change some R or I, okay, instead of I wanted to change L, I wanted to replace it. Can it be happen? No. Okay, it is immutable, you can't change it. Okay, means if you want to change the whole means value, you can change it, but inside the, if you want to change a letter, okay, you can't change it. Okay, see, I will try to change it, name, and which letter, if I want the first letter, so name of 0 is equal to, if I am saying some m, sorry, it will definitely show the error message. See here, it is showing the, see what it will be showing, the error message. Okay, here the error, why it is showing, we can't change it. See, reference, it is immutable. Okay, reference. Okay, so you can't change the value. Okay, right. Mm, but while printing, you can change it and print it. Suppose if I want instead of Mohan, if I want some Satya, so printing, while printing you can print it. So see, print. Okay, see here, uh, I have to use I don't want the Krishna Mohan, I want only Krishna. Then I wanted to print, I wanted to add Satya to it. So the otherwise I wanted welcome Krishna Mohan. So that I can do, no? How can welcome? We have to use plus operator, but both are strings. So name, in that name also I don't want Krishna Mohan, I want only Krishna. So what I have to do, name of, from 0 to which, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, so I have to use 7. Okay, is it okay? So what will be printed? See here, welcome Krishna. Okay, right. While runtime means we can't only to display we can change it, but not the actual values. You can't change the actual values. Okay, that's what for now. Hope you understood what is string and how you can do the things with you using the string. Okay, have a nice day.